I'd like to invite Peak Scientific Limited for this great presentation. After this presentation, you will have snacks with us. Please don't miss this.
Ladies and gentlemen, well, my name is Nitish and I represent Peak Scientific for South India, East India along with the neighbor countries. Before going to Peak Scientific products, I would like to thank our valuable partner, Chemtech Scientific, for this wonderful opportunity to interact with you. Now, coming to Peak Scientific. So Peak Scientific belongs to Scotland and we have our factory in Glasgow. We are the single product company. We have only gas generators. Gas generators for what? Gas generators for various applications, analytical applications like GC, LCMS, FTIR, and other applications. So the company, right now we have more than 700 staff and it is purely family-owned company. Globally we have more than 80,000 gas generators. I'm talking about the active gas generators. It is little bit old and now we have exported our gas generators more than 125 countries and direct operation we have in 20 countries and our staff in more than 25 countries. We have 4 modern facilities in Scotland. For scientific product, we have industrial product also and all the facilities are certified by ISO 9001 and 2015 standards. All the compliance certificates including CSA, CE, FCC and LVD. So this is our India and Bangladesh operation. Now in India, we have headquarters in Delhi, then regional offices in Mumbai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. In India, we have more than 6,000 gas generators and in Bangladesh, we also have a huge installed base. Looking at the pharmaceutical industry, more than 250 gas generators. It is because of your support. So when it comes to the gas generators, why to choose Peak Scientific? So Peak Scientific, I would say that we are the only company as of now who is having tested and approved gas generators by all the LCMS and DC manufacturers, Agilent, Thermo, Waters, Bruker, Sykes. You name any company who is into the analytical equipment and required the gases, the major companies. The first is then, why require the gas generators? The major important point which we are seeing in the industry, even you have faced during the COVID time, the unavailability of the cylinders. So first, it is convenience, means you don't have to wait for the cylinder supplier, whether the availability is there in the market or if it is not, because the gas generators are long-term fixed cost investment. Once you have taken, just forget for next 10 years. You just have to do simply maintenance once in a year. That's it. Consistency means no impurities, no running out of gases. The pure gas which we are claiming you will get and it will continuously supply to your application. Now safety. All the gas generators are 100% safe because we are keeping internal, external leak testing and everything will be related to safety is inside the gas generators. Coming to next is green. How we are claiming Peak Scientific gas generators are green? Because there is no threat to the environment. We are generating hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas from water means we are putting the water, we are separating hydrogen and oxygen. 2 separate vent is there, so which says that it is 100% secure and pure. Economic and independent. You understand that it is complete independent solution. You are not dependent anybody's. So our strategic OEM relationship, as I told you, Shimaju, Bruker, Perkin, Waters, Sykes and Thermo. We have a corporate tie-up with them. They buy the gas generators from our Scotland factory in terms of 500, 600 in a year. Then they club along with their LCMS and distribute to the different regions in the globe. This way we are working. And our product is not only based on the applications. Whenever they are developing any new application, they talk with Peak Scientific product development team and we get their requirement. Based on that, we manufacture our product. Then we send to their factory. If it is approved, providing the satisfactory results, then only we launch a product in the market. That's the specialty we provide to our customers. And everything is good. After that, they have published our hydrogen gas generator in their website. You can open Shimaji website, you will find Peak Scientific gas generator over there. All the compliance certificates which I have already talked, CE, FCC, CSA, which these are all the safety certificates which ensure the quality of the product and the safety. Coming to hydrogen safety. In hydrogen safety, we don't have any storage except 350 cc, which is even 5 times lesser compared to a cigarette lighter. So you can see the assurance which we are providing in terms of safety. In hydrogen generator, we have internal and external leak detection over there. In case any leakage inside the hydrogen generator and in your pipeline, so it will sense, it will give you alarm system. Boss, some leakage is there, you have to take care. And after 20 minutes, it will automatically shut down their operation. So this is our complete solution for your ECFID. At the bottom, you will see compressor, hydrogen generator, nitrogen generator, and zero air generator. Flame detector gas, makeup gas, and carrier gas, which you are generally using in your FID. We have a complete range of the gases. We start from 1.5 liter per minute in zero air, which is sufficient for 3 GCs. If you calculate, 1 GC requirement is 400 ml per minute. So our basic model is 1.5 liter per minute, which can cater 3 GCs. And the maximum we have 30 liter per minute. Even with single generator, you can connect more than 20, 25 or 30 GCs. In nitrogen generator, we provide 99.995% purity, and the minimum flow rate is 250 ml per minute to 1 liter per minute. In hydrogen, we have two types of purity. One is 99.995% and one is 99.599. Now, why 99.995 and why 99.555 times 9? So hydrogen nowadays is being used as a carrier gas. I don't know any of you are using hydrogen as a carrier gas. So in hydrogen we have two types of models. One is for FID especially, and other one is carrier gas. We have supplied in US Pharmacopoeia in India, USP, and in Novartis some of customers already they have started working hydrogen as a carrier gas. Because of the unavailability of helium, you understand that helium crisis is happening over the globe. You see, this is our hydrogen race model, which I was telling you for the carrier gas. We provide a 3 years warranty of the PEM cell. Why? Because the manufacturer for the hydrogen cell and for Peak Scientific is the same who manufacture the hydrogen cell for NASA. So we have the same vendor, same membrane, which they use as in NASA as a rocket fuel. So we get this warranty from our vendor and we pass this warranty to our customers. Hydrogen cell is the heart of the gas generator, which is approximately 75 to 80% of the generator cost. So the same, you can see you are secured for next 3 years after buying a hydrogen gas generator. Now I have a question. I mean, how many of you know that the hydrogen cylinder price in Bangladesh? Any idea? Any guess? Yeah, please.
65,000.
65,000. It is just refilling cost you are talking?
Refilling cost.
Yeah, and including the cylinder?
1 lakh.
1 lakh, more than 1 lakh. Because in Bangladesh, hydrogen plant is not there. You are importing all the hydrogen gas from Singapore. So that's why it is costing you more than 1 lakh taka per cylinder. In case you are using in a year 3 cylinders, 4 cylinders, 4 lakhs taka, right? And my generator comes with 7 to 8 lakhs taka. It means within 2 years you get the ROI. And that's what, it is very much popular here, and we have supplied in top 5 to 6 pharmaceutical companies. Coming to the nitrogen gas generator. So nitrogen, we provide 99.995%, which is a certified purity and required in Agilent and Shimadzu DC. If you go through their site preparation document, you will find everything is there. The maximum pressure we provide, the maximum pressure we provide 80 psi, but generally you use, I think, 45 to 50 psi. What is different in peak nitrogen gas generator compared to other players in gas generators? So we provide the hydrocarbon content in case you see, which is 0.05 ppm, which you can use as a carrier gas and makeup gas. In carrier gas, you need the hydrocarbon content to be more reduced. We provide 0.05 as a methane. It means your baseline is much more stable. And compared to cylinder, if you use our gas generators, you will see the stability in your baseline. Our last product for GC range is zero air. So we use a technology which is called as a catalytic chamber. In catalytic chamber, we pass this air. Means zero air means what? It is air which is free of hydrocarbon content, which required in your FID. So we use the same, we pass that air through dry air through the catalytic chamber. That catalytic chamber operates 350 to 400 degree temperature. Means it burns out all the hydrocarbons and provide you 0.05 ppm as a methane. Here are some mix and match of the gas generators. You can keep under the table, over the table, on the table, and anywhere inside the laboratory, because these are the laboratory equipments. It depends. I mean, it's a laboratory. You can save your space according to your requirement. You can fix anywhere. But the major safety is the temperature, which we need approximately 30 degrees Celsius, the maximum 30 to 35. So here I'm going to show you some video, which is our newly launched product, Jesse and Assume. So the specialty of this product, it's the world's smallest hydrogen gas generator. And the weight of this gas generator is approximately 7 kg. You can carry this generator like a suitcase. And the capacity, we have two capacities. One is 100 ml per minute, which can cater your 2 GCs, and one is 200 ml per minute, which can cater up to 4 GCs. So this smallest gas generator can support 4 GCs. So it's enough for your laboratory GCs. Yeah, here in the photographs, like in two colors, black and white, it is much more demanding product now globally, this hydrogen gas generators. And The good part is you don't require engineer for the maintenance. You just simply buy the cartridge, you can open the cover, you can take out the old one, you can fix the new one, close the cover, that's it. It is not required any engineer's intervention. We can give training how to replace that at the time of installation, just buy one or two cartridges for 1 or 2 years. Further to this, we have industrial range of gas generator, which called as a nitrogen plant. We have already supplied this plant in Acme API, Inceptor Chemicals, Bureau Veritas. For a long time, 6-7 years, they have been using this. So in pharmaceuticals and biotech, or food industry, anywhere where nitrogen is required, we provide this complete solution as a nitrogen, for nitrogen. Some installations of our nitrogen plant, you see the size, because in market if you see there are big twin towers. They need 50 by 50 space. We don't need that. It is very compact. And good part is that nobody gives you that assurance for next 20 years or for the deterioration. Because what happens in twin tower, once it is installed, every year you have to fill this CMS, carbon molecular sieves. Deterioration issue is there. But in peak nitrogen plant, it is compact and packed and shielded one, which ensure that 20 years you don't have to look back if you are providing a good quality of air. The same, you can take the feedback from the existing installations in Bangladesh. Now, the laboratory gas generators we provide for LCMS, GC, GCMS, FTIR, ELSD, some sample preparation units, TOC. We are coming up with a new product for TOC, glove box and purge and calibration. Anywhere you require nitrogen, we have a complete solution. Any questions anybody have?
So in the nitrogen generator, what is the feed water quality required?
In nitrogen generator,
Hydrogen.
the conductivity has to be less than 1 microsiemens, millicube water. You must be having your water system in your laboratory. That's enough.
Less than
1 microsiemens conductivity.
1 microsiemens.
Yeah. DI water. HPLC grade water, you can say. HPLC grade.
One slide you have shown that 99.3%.
Yeah.
Hydrogen gas you can use in place of
No. Hydrogen we are generating from water. So it is simple electrolysis method which we used to study in our 10th class or 12th class. So the same principle we have applied in generating the hydrogen. We are filling the water. Water has hydrogen and oxygen. So through the PEM cell, proton exchange membrane cell, we are separating water into two gases, oxygen and hydrogen. So even, yeah.
in future do you have any plan for this product extension like helium or oxygen gas?
Sir, if I tell you, helium is the byproduct of petroleum. Nowhere available in the globe now except Qatar and US. Only 2 places is available. Now it is, companies are also searching, but it is very difficult to find helium. Yes, so it is not possible to make the helium gas generator. And nobody will invent that he will be the millionaire over the night. Any questions? No.
Please raise your hand if you want any question.
So now I would like to say thank you. Thank you once again, Roshan Bhai, for our valuable partnership at the time, and thanks to you for coming here and giving us the time. Thank you.
Great, thanks for Peak Scientific. Now I would like to, and I am also honored to invite our Managing Director, Kulabhushan, to give closing remarks and to conclude this meeting today. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum and good evening. As we conclude this scientific seminar, I want to express my sincerest appreciation to all of our speakers, participants, and my colleagues for their involved, the contribution, the discussion and insight shared today have undoubtedly enriched our understanding of the subject matter. Let us carry this newfound knowledge forward, igniting further exploration and collaboration in our scientific pursuit. Thank you all of your passion, dedication and commitment in embracing frontier of knowledge. Until we meet again, I hope so. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep pushing to boundaries of what is possible. Safe travels, best wishes in all of your endeavor. Great thanks all of you. I hope in future we will meet again anywhere. Thank you very much. Thank all of you.
Please, you will have snacks in front of this room.
Yes, sir. Okay, I'm little camera.